Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Great Tutor, and what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that can make you solve for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And if you're a technical drawing student, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And it's very important that you practice this subject. A practical subject, you need to practice it for you to master it. Now I want to work on this building drawing. I want to show you how you can work on this building drawing. Though I've done some, but this one I want to make it in a very special way, and then you are going to enjoy it. You are going to learn it better. Though the one that I did, know that if you have watched it, you have learned better. But for this one, you are going to learn it much more better. Okay. Without wasting much of our time, this is the sketch plan. As written here is a sketch plan, and let's look at the instruction that we are given here. That figure 2 shows sketch plan of a bungalow. Study the sketch plan with the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. So specification that we have been told about, these are the specifications that we have here. All right, so the first thing that I want to do here is for us to replicate the sketch plan. So when you are given a question like this and you are asked to do some things with it, so the first thing to do is for you to replicate the sketch plan. So I want to show you how you can replicate this sketch plan. So it's not something hard, it's not something difficult. So I'll be showing you how you can replicate the sketch plan, as I said. Now let's start. Now looking at this plan, so the plan, it goes like this. So we have it within this area. You can see all the thick lines. So the broken lines are not part of it, though they are part of it, but I will still talk about that later. Now the first thing that you need to do is to look at the total length here. So the total length, the distance from here to here is 12,000. Is 12,000, and from here to here is 17,000. So that means we are going to have a rectangle. We are going to have a rectangle. The length is 17,000 and the width is 12,000. But we are not going to make use of this 12,000 and this 17,000. We are going to make use of a scale that we are given in the specifications. Looking at what we have here, as we have it, that draw to a scale of 1:100 floor plan, the floor plan. So that means we are going to divide every dimension that we have here by 100. Every dimension that we are given here, we are going to divide it by 100. So if we divide 12,000 by 100, that will give us 120 millimeters. Sorry, that will give us 120 millimeters. If we divide 17,000 by 100, that will give us 170 millimeters. So once you get that, draw the rectangle. So the length is 170 millimeters and the width is 120 millimeters. So I've done it here. So this is the rectangle. I've already made the rectangle. So the next thing that we are going to do is to partition this rectangle into the different department or apartment that we are given in this building sketch plan. So here we have bedroom, we have the bedroom here, and then some other things. But let's start. So for on the length side, so from here to here is 5,000. So and then from here to here is 4,500. From here to here is 1,500. From here to here is 4,500, and from here to here is 1,500. So each of them will be divided by 100. So let's see. So I've done it here. So I've taken if I divide 5,000 by 100, that is 50 millimeters. So I've taken 50 millimeters from here to here, then followed by 4,500, and that is 45. If you divide by 100, then 1,500 divided by 100, that is 15 millimeters. I've taken it from here to here, followed by another 4,500. So if I divide that by 100, that is 45. I've taken it from here to here is 15 millimeters after I've divided 1,500 by 100. Now, so the next thing that we are going to do here on the width side, let's see the dimensions on the width side. So on the width side here, so from here to here is 4,500. From here to here is 1,500. From here to here is 1,500, and from here to here is 4,500. Okay. Now let's take that dimensions on this side of the width. So if I divide each of them by 1,500 by 100, so first of all I have 45, so this is 45. Then next is I have 15, so let's take it. So I have 15 after I divided 1,500 by 100, then another 15 follows. Okay, so the rest that I have here is 4,500, so which is 45 millimeters. So now, so the next thing I'm going to do here is that looking at this line is very simple. So as you can see the way I'm doing it, so looking at this line from here to here, so this line, they are together. So they are together. That is the one that we have 4,500 from here to here. So they are all together here. So on the same line. So I will draw that line as an horizontal line. So I will draw it as an horizontal line here. So make use of your, as you are using your pencil, so make use of thin continuous line, because we need to rub it off. So thin continuous line, or we call it faint lines. So make sure you use your thin continuous line first. So first of all, the next thing that I want to do here, so on this side, so I will draw a vertical line at this point. So just look at the way I'm doing it. I'll draw a vertical line at this point. So here I will draw. So I'll draw this line. So here I will draw this line. So I'm using my red pen for my thin continuous line, and I will also draw this line like this. Okay. Alright, so let's move on. So the next thing that I'm going to do here, so on this part here, so I'm going to draw this line on this side, on the width side. So I will draw this line here, and I will draw this line here on the width side. Okay, and also I will draw this vertical line down. So this vertical line, I will take it down here. So I take this vertical line, I'll take it down like this. So then this line from here, I will draw this. Also, I will draw this line like this. Okay, so I believe you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so so we are left with this part here. So let's look at how we can bring it out. So let me start like this. Let me come to this side. So distance from here to here is 3,500. From here to here is 3,500. From here to here is 4,000. From here to here is 4,500. So if I divide each of them by 100, so first of all I will have 35 here. I will have 35. This is 35 millimeters. So followed by 40 millimeters. So that is 70. And then okay, this is 4,000. Is 4,000, then followed by 45 millimeters. So everything is okay here. So here I will draw, at this point I will draw horizontal line like this. So where is that horizontal line? So this is the horizontal line. This horizontal line. So I'll draw this horizontal line. Okay, so I'll draw this horizontal line. So at this point. So this is the 4,000. So we have already drawn the line. We have drawn the line already. So so the next thing I'm going to do here, so the parts are almost out. So distance from year to year is not specified, but we have been instructed in the specifications that we should assume suitable dimension or dimensions where unspecified. So I'm going to assume a dimension. So I'm going to distance from year to year now. Distance from year to year, I will take 100 millimeters. And distance from year to year also is not specified. I will also take 100 millimeters. So if I divide 100, sorry, 1000. I will assume 1000. It is 1000, not 100. So 1000. So 1000 by 100 will give us 10. So I take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters. And I will come up here also. I will take 10 millimeters here. Okay. All right. So and then before that, I need to take dimension on this part. So dimensions here. So this is 5,000 from year to year, which we have already taken from year to year. But from year to year is 8,000. From year to year is 8,000. From year to year is 2,500. And from year to year is 1,500. So which we have already taken up here. We have already taken it. So we don't have to take that again. So all I need to do is to bring this down here. I bring it down on this side. Okay. So then that 8,000 and 2,500 are the ones that I'm to take. So 8,000 by 100 will give us 8 millimeters. So this is 8 millimeters. So the rest is 2,500. So 2,500 by 100 is 25. So from year to year is 80 millimeters. So which I've taken. So every part is out now. Okay. So so the next thing that we have to do here, so looking at this line here, this line that we have here, this is a beam. When you see a line drawn with short dashes line in a building plan, so it is for a beam. It is for a beam. So I'm going to do that here. With my, so I'm taking this at I'm using this as my thick continuous line. So my blue pen is what I'm using for the blue ink is what I'm using as my thick continuous line. So every part that I've made now, I will bring them out. I need to do the same thing here. So I believe you can see this. So we also have what? Okay. So what we have here, so we have a solid line here like this. Okay. So and with what I've done here, so I'm going to make every part, I'm going to make it thick. And bear it in mind, so this line, they represent the external part of the wall. So let me do this behind you. I'm just going to make this thick, then I will come back and show you what we have obtained. Then in the next video, we are going to meet on how we can bring out the thickness of the wall. All right, so I'm not going to make all thick. The reason is that I'm going to fix the doors within the building, so I don't want to make it thick so that the work will not look rough. So but when we do the thickness of the wall, so when we are done with that, I will make the part that are supposed to be made thick, I will make them thick. But there's something I need to do before we end this video now. If you look at what we have here for the toilet and bath here, so distance from year to year is not given, and from year to year is not given. But if you look at this, distance from year to year is equal to distance from year to year. So and we have been told that we should assume any suitable dimension where unspecified. But looking at this, distance from year to year is equal to distance from year to year. So I'll just divide this 5,000 by 2. That will give us 2,500. 2,500 by 100 will give us 25 millimeters. So from here I will take a measurement of 25 millimeters. So this is 25. So here I will draw a vertical line here. So from here to here, draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so and then the same thing happens here, that the distance from here to here in the kitchen is not given. Distance from here to here in the kitchen is not given. So we also take I think from here to here I'm going to use uh, 3,000 from here to here, 3,000. So 3,000 by 100 give us 30. So I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. So you start from here. So this is 30 millimeters here. So here I will draw a vertical line here. So draw a vertical line here like this. So it starts from here to here. Even this line, I should have drawn this line, but it doesn't mean. So I may remove it from here to here. So it's for the kitchen. So then there is a beam. So there is a beam at the dining. There is a beam at the dining. So we have a beam on the upper part of the dining room here. So I will do that before we end the video. So all I need to do, I'm going to use my so let me bring that out at once. All right, so I've placed the beam there. So this is the sketch plan as we are instructed here to do that, but we are not yet done. So we still need to bring out the thickness of the wall. That will be on the next part of this video. So I want you to enjoy this video, the lesson or the tutorial. That's why I'm breaking the video down one by one. So this is what you need to do. So replicate the given sketch plan. Then the next thing that we're going to do is to bring out the thickness of the wall by making use of what we are given, the specifications. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing and God bless you.